Hello, good day. This is Aldrin Fernandez, and I'm going to show you the workflow of my YouTube channel BA work. So first, I'm gonna open YouTube Studio, which is this one, and then I'm gonna upload a video, this one. These videos are from here, which was sent by the client for me to download, manage, and everything. So this is where I'll get the script, video, and thumbnail. So for this one, I've already downloaded the video, and then I'm gonna put in the thumbnail. And since the file name is the LBA 3001, this is the file name or the video name. I'm gonna paste it here. I'm gonna open the script and then copy a few words or phrases, and then I'm gonna paste it in the description. As for the remaining scripts, I'm gonna copy all of it and then paste it all here. This is where I'll get the tags for the video, which I'm gonna use. So, since YouTube only limits to 500 words or letters, I'm going to choose only these few words. So, on this part, it says audience. No, it's not made for kids, and AI was used. Yes, AI was used. I only confirm this if AI was used. So this is where I'll put in the tags that I took from ChatGPT. Since it has reached its limit, I'm gonna remove a few words, and then all of it is set. Then I'm gonna add element. This one, save. So checks is if it's gonna check if it's copyright or what. Then let's move into scheduling. May 3, Agent 3, and then I'm assigned to Amsterdam time. So I'm gonna put in like 10:15 p.m. and then it goes scheduled, and that's done. So this is currently what I've been working on. I've only started last week, I think. And yeah, it's not yet getting a few views or whatnot, but yeah, at least there's starting.